Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today I want to share my experience with the Autofiber Scrub Ninjas and Star Scrubber. So you can get them in a pack or a kit, 3-pack or more, and the price varies anywhere from $12.95 to $15. And right here is a used one I've had in use about half a dozen times. It's holding up well. And that'll compare to a few other units. We're going to look at some of these tools up close under a microscope just to show you the different types of materials. These are short bristles. Now they are soft, but because they have such a short nap, it makes them also aggressive enough to get a perforated seat or textured plastic. You can use these pockets, get your fingers in here, and get tight corners. Let's put one of these under the scope and take a closer look at these bristles. Now what we're looking at here is a combination of polyester, polyamide, 75% polyester, 25% polyamide. What are they for? Well, they'll help you clean and scrub your interior on surfaces like plastic, leather, vinyl, hard surfaces that aren't like polished trim, like your black piano finish. You want to stay away from them. All right, let's compare that material to the materials found on some of these other scrub blocks. A little bit different, but have some similarities as well. On one side, you have the firm but gentle fibers, I guess you can describe them, and they're good for scrubbing deep into the contours, textures, and pores of some of the materials. And then you flip it over to the other side, you have the microfiber mesh material, which I don't use a ton, but they give you that other side to cut through some heavy dirt and grime. Today we're working on a Macan, a Porsche, and it has a light colored interior, so I thought I would share my experience and show you on this interior what it can do with hardly any effort at all. I personally like to team the scrubbers up with Angel Wax Heaven for leather. You can team it up with any leather cleaner or plastic cleaner or all-purpose cleaner for that matter. Great on the perforated seats, great on textured plastic. I'm going to give you a short demonstration on both. This won't be a long video, so let me get some masking tape down, give you a nice crisp 50-50, and we'll get to work. I personally prefer to spray any cleaner directly into the mitt or the tool itself instead of directly onto the material. That will help cut back on oversaturation and some discoloration. You have to keep in mind the materials on these interiors, just like the exteriors, they're getting cheaper and cheaper as the years go by. After spreading some of the product out onto the panels of this leather seat here, that will go on circular motion, so it gives those bristles a chance to get in and around the circumference of those perforations. And then also when you're on textured plastic, it gives a chance for the bristles to get in there in those valleys of the texture and really grab that dirt, agitate it, and lift it out. The tool has a finger pocket, so if you pull the two panels of the leather seat apart, you can really get into the stitching itself, give it a deep cleaning, and get in and around the perforations. Then simply follow up with a dry microfiber and mop up any of the moisture or loose dirt. We'll pull up the tape, I'll bring you in a little closer, and we'll let the work of the tool speak for itself. Huge difference without much of an effort at all. That will easily take care of the seats. You can also use it to clean textured plastics of any type. Just swap out your leather cleaner for an all-purpose cleaner or a designated plastic cleaner. Just stay away from other materials, carbon fiber or black piano finish, any type of aluminum or chrome trim as well. Everything else you can clean, especially the boot here for the shifter. Also decent for cleaning rubber as well. Let me show you what it can do on the textured plastic center console armrest here. That's it, just a little bit of the cleaner, some minor agitation, and this is the difference you can make. So we'll just continue the same process all the way around the interior plastics and leather of the Macan here. When it comes to the plastics, I'll just switch to the Kokemi Polestar. And in no time at all, you'll be around that crusty interior, and these are the results. Okay, again, that was the Autofiber Scrub Mitt, the Scrub Ninja Scrub Mitt, and also the Star Scrubber. I'll put a link down below. You can look into all the different packages and kits. Catch you guys in the next video.